Hayibo sanibonani njani vuka kusile. Ugeli-ke lona-ke lona wejola nobaba uZuma upresident emncane esokela abantu abadala ewefuna ngisho hayibo ngiyadlala but-ke ugeqa amagula-ke nje kade adenze i-interview lapha kolunye uhlelo lase-TV wageqa amagula wathi nje yena uZuma washiya yena nengane encane uthi wamsheza imbali uthi akabange safona uthi akazange samthengela ngisho ukudla uthi wasephoqeleka ukuthi akaphumeke endlini yomntaka bani adayise nemoto uthi nje cha bandla nje ngifuna nje uqoma amanga mina ngangisamthanda uyena ubaba ukhehla lo wadecide ukuthi athathe abanye abantu ngase ngiyabona-ke nami ukuthi akusho ukuthi angisavumelekile uthi nje akho bangekho ngisho ama-sign ukuthi mhlampe baxabene kwenzakalani uthi nje uthi hayi ngayitshela ukuthi nami-ke mhlampe khona inkinga abhekene nayo uthi hayibo laphela usuku zaphela iy'nsuku yaphela uviki laphela inyanga aphela ama-minute hayibo kwaphela unyaka kude ngabona ukuthi hayi man ikhehla selivele la lenze idume ngazi abafana-ke banjalo-ke we-girls wawuthi kuyobanjani. So now she says she's picking up from the PCs and she says now she's working hard. She's a single parent, a single but she says she's now a single parent ngoba-ke ubaba wagcina imshiye kanjalo. Awuzwele kugele ezigeqela amakhula-ke ungathi ukhulume mina nange ikhulume.
So this restart button engikhuluma ngayo, so I'm young, I'm in a relationship with a prominent figure, and ngiyasebenza. So umsebenzi engisebenza it's for me, and akunama responsibilities. I'm staying at my own place and right in Durban and whatnot. I'm driving, imotonyane yami encane because I took time to upgrade to the car that I wanted, and over the years, I was comfortable because he's taking care of everything. We are both like in the shop. Then when my son turned a year, somehow, because their birthday is in April, then the guy decides to stop. From the phone call to the visit to the money being sent, just stop. But because I'm a woman and he's been doing it for so long, of course, we need denial. He's probably busy. He's probably ziningi kingabhekene nazo. Hey, probably this and that, And then I realized when months went, now even on my savings, because when he was sending money, I had a big saving. But because the lifestyle was so big, his saving had to be emptied to sustain. Then I was like, "Aksiz ukuthi ngilibele ngihlala in this mansion in Zimbabwe and driving this car and living this lifestyle. This is the time." And I think it's the push. Go restart, uzenzele into zakho. Even with Real Housewives, when they called, I was like, I'm in a journey. Like in Real Housewife reference, it's all about showing off. It's the glitz and the glam. It's these cars. I do not have any of those. And they were like, no. There's something. There's something that we're seeing, and it worked. And because of uNkulunkulu, because I couldn't afford to be on the show. Being on Real Housewife is expensive. It's an exchange. It will put it on your platform, but you must pay for it. So I declined that show so much.
You did?
Yes. If you remember, when season 1 started, for 3 episodes, I was not part of the show. Because I kept on telling them, so like me going there, like how am I going to live in Durban? Because I'm saying like what am I going to do? And they spoke to me until they didn't beg me. They just sent a contract. They even opted for me to be on B-cast. And I was like, sure, that is fine. If I come through one of the cast members,
like a friend of the show.
And you know what they said? No, you can't do that because there are certain things that, like as a brand yakho, you can't host the wives, you can't launch your brand, you can't this and that. So we don't want you to be, B-cast. They kept on pushing. They saw potential. They know. And I think more than anything, it was a spiritual thing because I just went there from your designer to the makeup to the hair to the what. It was literally abantu abathi lalela mina mawupostile nje wangitheka mina mawuthe nje wathi so in fact the stipend that they gave me on the show ngaphinda futhi ngayibuyisela onto the show because phela when I'm hosting I need to pay for this when I'm doing this, but I didn't feel it like steepy like kwakunzima. It didn't feel like that because I prayed about it, and that email coming through, and for the fact that